Hi guys, welcome in this video. We are going to analyze the HR employees data set, and this is an example dashboard. And in this dashboard, we have used actually Microsoft Excel and the pivot tables. This dashboard is actually very dynamic. You can select different slices, and the dashboard will be updated. And similarly, you have the options actually to select different features and slices. This data set actually contain the analysis we will perform, like departmental headcount, gender diversity, turnover ratios, age and service length of service analysis, and to some extent salary analysis. So let's move to the raw data file, and here we have the data. In this data, whenever you are going to analyze, it's the best practice that first of all you must understand what are the features or the attributes in the data set, like the fields available. First of all, we have the status field. This is showing actually the employee is still working with the organization or has left. I think this is our relevant field, so let's mark it. Okay. Moreover, this head office, department, sub department, employment status, gender, DOB, date of birth, hire date, exit date, these are the relevant field which we have to use. Okay, highlight them as well. And leadership group, perfect. Okay, and monthly salary, okay, we will use this as well. And fine, okay. Let me remove these columns. Okay, okay, perfect. So these are the fields which we have to use, and now whenever we have to apply pivot tables, it is suggested that convert the data into table. Right now, the data is in tabular form but not in table. So to convert it in table, go to the insert tab and click table, and you will see here these tiny moving bars have selected the whole data set. My table has headers, perfect. Okay, and I am assuming that you people have some basic knowledge of the pivot table and the table, so I am not going in very nitty-gritty of these functions. So now, in order to create a new pivot table, now I just click anywhere in the this table, go to insert tab and click the pivot table. Okay, table against table one. Okay, new worksheet. Yes. Okay. Now we have another sheet, and we will create the report here. First of all, let's drag the status just to count the number of employees. It is telling us the total employees are 741, but there is a problem that some people are active and some are inactive. So this value is for all instead of only active. So remove we will have two options. One is drag the status in the filter and select here active. Okay, now we have 530. Okay, this is one option. Another option is, that is I think more suitable, that we will create a helper column. Okay, in order to create a helper column, move to the end. Here type active only. You can rename it according to the to your own choice. And active only is equal to if, and this status, if this status is equal to active. Since we are using text, hence we will write the text in double quote, comma 1, otherwise 0, in bracket enter. Okay, so yes, for some values we have 0 which are inactive, and for some values we have 1 that is active. Okay, Move back here and let's find active column. Active field is not available at the moment, so right click on this report and click here the refresh, and now you can see that active only is available. So drag this active only here. I remove this status. Okay. And okay, so now you can see here this is 741, the count of status, and the active only is 530. Because now these are the numerical values and we have the summation of numerical values. For the text, automatically when we drag any text field, it will apply the count function. Remove this status. Okay. Next, we need to find the salary values: minimum salary, higher, average salary, higher salary, lower salary. So, and drag here the minimum salary. Okay. So this is our monthly salary. Okay, fine. Copy it and paste here. Rename it. Change the computation function. You can click here value field setting and use max here, or copy and paste. And now we have to find the minimum salary. Right click here and summarize values by minimum. This is the lowest salary. Okay, now copy and paste here, um, the F for the average. Right click and show value average. Okay, fine. Now now copy it and paste here. We need to find, we need to create a report for departmental count. Okay, so drag here the department. Fine. And this is at the moment showing the average salary for each department. Remove this and drag active only. Okay. This is the head count for each department. Sort descending, more sort option, descending, and sum of active value. Okay, perfect. Also copy next we it and paste here. We need to create the report for the gender. Okay, gender, remove department. This is the diversity ratio. Fine. And next we have to create the report for the age brackets and the length of stay. Perfect. Move to the employees data. We need to create two helper column. One will show the age in years, and second column for the length of service in years. Okay, so age, years, and so we will use the formula is equal to today. So today we are going to use the today function. It will help you to get the latest age every time you open this file, instead of if we calculate it manually. And whenever you are going to use this report after 6 months or after 1 year, so with the help of today function you will get the late updated age. Okay, next minus uh, date of birth. Okay, enter. So convert these into numbers. Fine. Now we have the number of days. Divide these number of days with 365. Divide 365. So we can get years. But again there is a problem that these values are in decimals, so we should use the round function to completely adjust the values to the latest rounding value. Okay, fine. This is okay. Next, I think copy this column and paste here, and length of service, years. Okay, And instead of using DOB, uh, we will use hire date. Okay, done. So perfect. So now 26. Fine. So length of service, now move to the sheet tab and um, copy this report, paste here and refresh so we can get the additional helper columns, age and years. Now drag this age here, remove gender, fine. So we have the head count for each age year, but it is too lengthy, so we need to concise it. So hence we will group the values. So to group the values, right click here, click group, and in the group it's starting from 34 ending at 64. Instead of start 34, start from 30. So every value, any value which is from 30 and end at 70. And by 10 means the size of bin, so we are going to create the bins. 10 is fine, click ok. Perfect. So we have 30 to 39. 82 people are in this age bracket, 40 to 49, 277 are in this age bracket. So perfect. Now copy this and paste here. Now we need to create same type of report for length of service. Instead of age, remove age years. Now we need to group them. Group start from 1 and at 30, group size by 5. Okay. Okay, perfect. So, perfect. So now we have the other report for the length of service and great. So these are the basic some values which we have calculated. Next, in the next video, we are going to calculate the turnover ratios, and then we will arrange these values in it in the form of a dashboard. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.